good day, everyone. I hope all is well. Thank you for joining me on this video. When I disappear off the scene for a minute, I through another growth spurt on my personal growth journey. So, yes, I've been away and I've been growing, and I've had so many life experiences over the past months that that leaves you no other choice but to recognize how powerful we are within ourselves. When we own how powerful we are, opportunities, the universe, it opens up to us in ways you can't imagine. So, what I've been doing in my quiet time is working on inner alignment. And what that is aligning with your soul aligning with your spirit, our one consciousness. Because right now in the world, if you've been paying attention to news, the world is worlding right now. You know the news, so you know what's going on, and it's a lot going on right now. And sometimes things can have gone so bad that it can't be undone. And so, because you don't know where to start, how do we even begin to unravel some of the things that are going on in this world? It's a situations that it's hard to resolve because there are so many 3D components to these situations that it's hard to unravel. So this is why what I do, I feel is so important, because to change the frequency and the direction that this planet is headed, we're all going to have to consciously align. What it's going to take to bring order to this planet is collectively vibrating the frequency of unity, love, and light. This is beyond physical work. This is going to take a spiritual connection and vibration where 3D factors doesn't weigh so heavy on the mat. Some of y'all got that. So when I say we have to vibrate the frequency of that which we would like to achieve, that means sometimes you're gonna lose people, because to vibrate in certain frequencies, you have to stop certain activities. You're gonna have to stop indulging in certain habits, and that's not gonna make some people happy. And it's not just relationships, it's also in your career, all areas of your life, right?